Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Virtual reality is on the brink of another revolutionary leap with the Meta Quest 4. But is this truly the next-gen upgrade we've all been waiting for? With enhanced graphics, superior performance, and groundbreaking features, does it redefine the VR experience? In this in-depth review, we'll dissect its design, gameplay mechanics, hardware improvements, and whether it's worth upgrading. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's find out if the Meta Quest 4 is set to become the future of VR. Meta Quest 4. A game-changing leap in virtual reality. The Meta Quest 4 is rumored to introduce a game-changing upgrade in the VR landscape, offering sharper visuals, superior tracking, and vastly improved performance. While Meta has yet to officially confirm its details, leaks and insider reports suggest that the Quest 4 will be powered by a cutting-edge chipset, advanced AI integration, and possibly two distinct versions, a standard and a premium edition. Each of these models may offer different levels of performance, storage, and display quality, catering to various types of users. This iteration is expected to refine Quest 3's design while pushing the limits of mixed reality and standalone VR gaming. Price, value for money, and market positioning. As a high-end VR headset, the Meta Quest 4 comes with a higher price tag, reflecting its advanced technology and superior capabilities. While it may not appeal to budget-conscious consumers, its premium build, exceptional performance, and thriving ecosystem justify the investment for VR enthusiasts, gamers, and professionals. The Quest 4 delivers a comprehensive standalone experience, combining convenience with high-performance capabilities, making it a solid choice for those seeking top-tier virtual reality gaming and simulations. Advanced tracking and controller enhancements. The Meta Quest 4 introduces next-level inside-out tracking with enhanced accuracy and precision. Its redesigned Touch Pro controllers now include haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, and advanced motion sensors, offering a tactile and immersive experience. Additionally, hand tracking capabilities have been upgraded, allowing users to interact naturally with VR environments without relying on controllers. These refinements in tracking technology make the Quest 4 an exceptional device for gaming, creative applications, and professional simulations. Performance, processing power, and hardware upgrades. At the heart of the Meta Quest 4 is a next-generation Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chipset, delivering unmatched processing power compared to its predecessor. This custom VR processor ensures seamless execution of complex applications, while an upgraded GPU and CPU provide faster frame rates and reduced latency. With increased RAM and expanded storage options, the Quest 4 facilitates quicker load times and smooth multitasking. The enhanced thermal management system ensures optimal performance even during extended gaming sessions, making it one of the most powerful standalone VR headsets available. Battery life and charging enhancements. The Meta Quest 4 offers approximately 3 to 4 hours of battery life, depending on usage intensity. It features fast charging capabilities, reaching 80% charge in just 45 minutes. Moreover, a modular battery system allows users to swap out batteries, extending VR sessions without interruptions. Additionally, an energy-efficient mode optimizes battery performance, ensuring prolonged playtime during less demanding tasks. These features make the Quest 4 a versatile option for both casual users and hardcore VR enthusiasts. Ergonomic design and build quality. The Meta Quest 4 sports a sleek, lightweight, and ergonomic design, ensuring maximum comfort for prolonged use. With adjustable straps, improved weight distribution, and premium materials, this headset provides a secure and snug fit. Its compact form factor, enhanced ventilation system, and redesigned padding improve comfort, making extended VR sessions more enjoyable. The refined controllers now boast better grip and balance, further enhancing the overall experience. Its futuristic aesthetic and durable construction make the Quest 4 as visually appealing as it is functional. Expansive content library and VR ecosystem. One of Quest 4's standout features is its vast library of VR games, apps, and experiences, available via the Meta Store. With full backward compatibility, users can access content from previous Quest models while also enjoying an influx of new and exclusive VR titles. Additionally, Meta Horizon integration enhances social VR interactions, multiplayer gaming, and collaborative experiences. The PC VR compatibility via AirLink or USB-C tethering expands its content range, allowing gamers to enjoy high-end PC VR titles. With a rapidly growing ecosystem and support for third-party applications, The Quest 4 promises a versatile and engaging VR experience. Cutting-edge display and immersive visual experience. Equipped with dual OLED displays, the Meta Quest 4 delivers breathtaking visual fidelity, featuring a 2160 by 2160 resolution per eye. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, users can expect smooth and fluid motion, reducing motion sickness and enhancing overall immersion. The HDR support introduces vibrant colors and deep contrasts, making virtual environments more lifelike than ever. Additionally, the expanded field of view provides greater spatial awareness, enveloping users in fully immersive worlds, whether gaming or exploring virtual landscapes. Is the Meta Quest 4 the future of VR? The Meta Quest 4 represents a major leap forward in standalone VR technology, blending powerful hardware, stunning visuals, and an expansive ecosystem. Its ergonomic design, advanced tracking, and versatile content library make it an excellent choice for casual gamers, VR professionals, and immersive experience seekers. Whether you're looking to game, work, create, or explore, the Quest 4 delivers an unparalleled VR experience. With groundbreaking innovations, powerful processing capabilities, and a refined user experience, the Meta Quest 4 sets a new benchmark for standalone VR headsets, solidifying Meta's dominance in the VR industry. Final thoughts and what's next? Thank you for watching Techno Trend Zone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button. Leave a comment below, and share your thoughts on the Meta Quest 4. Are you excited about this upcoming VR headset? What features are you most looking forward to?